Do you ever feel like freelancing is just nonstop hustle? Writing proposals, building portfolios, managing clients by yourself. It's exhausting. But what if I told you 5 free AI tools can save you hours every week? These tools do the boring stuff for you. They're free, beginner-friendly, and can actually help you make more money. Let's go. First up, ChatGPT. I use it to write proposals, generate email replies, and brainstorm client ideas. Just type a prompt, and boom, it writes like a pro. You can even tell it, write a proposal for a social media manager targeting fashion brands. Done in 10 seconds. Next, Notion AI. It's like ChatGPT, but inside your to-do list. Need to plan your content? Create a blog outline. Organize client notes. Notion AI handles it, all inside one clean workspace. Bonus, it makes you look super organized on Zoom calls. Third, Pictory. This is for freelancers who want to create videos fast, with no editing skills. Paste your text, choose a voice, and it gives you a full video with scenes and subtitles. Great for content creators, coaches, and anyone who hates editing. Fourth is Grammarly. It's not just a grammar checker anymore. GrammarlyGO uses AI to rewrite emails, improve tone, and boost clarity. I once sent a client message Grammarly rewrote in 5 seconds. They said, "Wow, you're so professional." Thanks, AI. And finally, Durable AI. If you've been putting off your freelance website, this tool builds one for you in under a minute. Just type what you do, pick a design, and it auto-generates your homepage, service page, and contact form. I used it to test landing pages, and some actually got me real leads. So here's the thing. I won't replace freelancers, but freelancers who use AI will replace the ones who don't. Subscribe if you want more tools, tutorials, and strategies to grow your freelance business in 2025. Let's level up together.